TubeBuddy is designed to help you save time, get more views, and do more on YouTube. TubeBuddy is a browser extension. Most people call it the browser plugin. It's just like Grammarly and Honey. It adds more options to your web browser. In the TubeBuddy case, we call it tools. They call it tools? Is it screwdriver? No, it's not screwdriver, but it's tools. Which is directly from the top of your YouTube. First of all, you can install this from your Chrome, your Google Chrome, your Firefox, and Microsoft. Microsoft? Yeah, Microsoft Edge. Edge. I like it when it's edgy. So guys, in my description, I will put the link for you to download TubeBuddy for free. Having TubeBuddy is like having the right tools. And I'm sure you can take your hand and chop a board or a wood. You have to get an axe. So the free one is like having the axe. But guess what? You still need more time to do more things. So guess what? You can upgrade from the free to the pro. And then you have a little better tool, because so when you have a better tool, you know, they work even faster, and you have better content, you see your channel start rise and get more views, get more subscribers, you have more time to do what you do, because you get tags, you get description, you get, hey, get TubeBuddy today, get TubeBuddy, free.